Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology skills. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is virus-mediated transfer of DNA into bacteria is termed as translocation, B. Conjugation, C. Transformation, and D. Transduction. So the correct option is D. Transduction. The next MCQ is which of the following is a rod-shaped virus? A. Poliovirus, B. Influenza virus, C. Tobacco mosaic virus, and D. HCV. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following is not used for classification of viruses? A. Host type, B. Genome type, C. Shape of virus, and D. Number of capsomer. So the correct option is D. Number of capsomer. The next MCQ is it is an example of RNA non-enveloped virus. A. HCV, B. HIV, C. Influenza virus, and D. HIV. So the correct option is B. HAV. The next MCQ is the first virus obtained in crystalline form was A. TMV, C. B. herpes virus, C. HBV, and D. poliovirus. So the correct option is A. TMV. The next MCQ is the living feature of viruses is A. respiration, B. metabolism, C. sensitivity, and D. reproduction. So the correct option is D. Reproduction. The next MCQ is spirons differ from viruses in being A. next RNA molecule, B. next DNA molecule only, and C. next DNA packed with viral genomes, and D. next proteins only. The correct option is D. next protein only. The next MCQ is antibiotics do not affect viruses because A. Viruses do not have metabolism of their own. B. Viruses have high tolerance for antibiotics. C. Viruses are too small in size for antibiotic to act on them. And D. Viruses produce a thick covering around themselves to defend against antibiotics. So the correct option is A. Viruses do not have metabolism of their own. The next MCQ is which of the following is made up of RNA only? A. Virus, B. Viride, C. Prophage, and D. Viron. So the correct option is B. Viride. The next MCQ is it is not included by viral genome if present. A. RNA, B. Envelope, C. DNA, and D. Protein. So the correct option is B. Envelope. The next MCQ is the number of capsomers present and herpes virus capsid is A. 100, B. 162, C. 220, and D. 252. So the correct option is B. 162. The next MCQ is a component that is found in all viruses. A. DNA, B. RNA, C. capsid, and D. envelope. So the correct option is C. capsid. The next MCQ is which of the following consists of both proteins and nucleic acid? A. Pyrons, B. provirus, C. viride, and D. viron. So the correct option is D. Viron. The next MCQ is the most distinctive feature of a retrovirus is A. RNA genome, B. spherical capsid, C. reverse transcriptase, and D. envelope spikes. So the correct option is C. Reverse transcriptase. The next MCQ is which of the following infectious particles are misfolded proteins? A. Viron, B. viride, C. Pyron, and D. virus. So the correct option is C. Pyron. The next MCQ is the specific shape of any virus is due to it: A. Nucleic acid coat, B. Protein coat, C. Envelope, D. Tail protein. So the correct option is B. Protein coat. The next MCQ is viruses cannot be grown on artificial culture media because they are A. facultative parasite, B. obligate parasites, C. extracellular parasites, and D. ectoparasites. So the correct option is B. Obligate parasites. The next MCQ is pro-phage is actually A. DNA of virulent phage, B. DNA of the bacterium, C. DNA of lactic phage, and D. DNA of temperate phage. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is the first step in the replication of bacteriophage is its attachment to the host cell at receptor site located on A. cell membrane of the bacteria, B. cell wall of the bacteria, C. cytoplasmic protein of bacteria, and D. flagella of bacteria. So the correct option is B. cell wall of the bacteria. The next MCQ is swollen lymph nodes and neck, groin, and armpits, night sweats, loss of memory, and depression are observed. At which stage of AIDS? A. Asymptomatic carrier stage. B. Full blown AIDS. C. AIDS-related complex, and D. both carrier and full-blown stage. So the correct option is C. AIDS-related complex. The next MCQ is it is a disease caused by DNA enveloped virus. A. Smallpox, B. Influenza, C. Measles, and D. Mumps. So the correct option is A. Smallpox. The next MCQ is the uncoating of HIV virion occurs A. outside of host cell, B. and nucleus of host cell, C. and cytoplasm of host cell, and D. and endoplasmic reticulum of host cell. So the correct option is C. in cytoplasm of host cell. The next MCQ is GP120 of HIV has affinity for A. CD1, B. CD4, C. CD2, and D. CD8. So the correct option is CD4. The next MCQ is which of the following parts of HIV and is glycoprotein in nature? A. Genome, B. Capsid, C. Envelope, and D. Envelope spike. So the correct option is D. Envelope spike. The next MCQ is all of the following component of HIV enter and host cell except A. Envelope, B. RNA, C. Capsid, D. reverse transcriptase. So the correct option is A. Envelope. The next MCQ is all of these are ways of transfer of HIV except A. blood, B. breastfeeding, C. salia, and D. semen. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is the first separate used by reverse transcriptase during HIV life cycle is A. dsDNA, B. dsRNA, C. ssRNA, and D. cDNA. So the correct option is ssRNA. The next MCQ is it is the site of transcription during the HIV life cycle. A. outside the host, B. cytoplasm of the host cell, C. nucleus of host cell, and D. endoplasmic reticulum of host cell. So the correct option is nucleus of host cell. C is the correct option. The next MCQ is in which of the following disease a person would show higher level of interferon production? A. typhoid, B. measles, C. malaria, and D. tetanus. So the correct option is B. measles. The next MCQ is All are neurotropic viral disease except A. polio, B. rabies, C. Encephalitis, and D. Herpes simplex. So the correct option is herpes simplex. D is the correct option. The next MCQ is which of the following type of hepatitis is caused by a viroid? A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, and D. Hepatitis D. So the correct option is hepatitis D. D is the correct option. The next MCQ is pigs are reservoirs of A. Hepatitis A virus, B. Hepatitis C virus, C. Hepatitis D virus, and D. Hepatitis E virus. So the correct option is D. Hepatitis E virus. The next MCQ is alternate name for hepatitis C is A. Serum hepatitis, B. Infusion hepatitis, C. Infectious hepatitis, and D. Delta hepatitis. So the correct option is infusion hepatitis. B is the correct option. The next MCQ is nucleide. Mm, is visible in light microscope after staining with A. Gram staining, B. Fehling stain, C. Fulgen stain, and D. Soden stain. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is all organisms included in kingdom Monera are A. Unicellular organism, B. Parasitic, C. Autotrophic organisms, and D. Absorptio heterotrophs. So the correct option is A. Unicellular organisms. The next MCQ is the bacteria which lacks the cell wall. A. Mycoplasma, B. E. coli, C. Vibrio cholera, and D. Mycobacterium. So the correct option Mycoplasma. The correct answer is A. Mycoplasma. The next MCQ is restriction endonucleases are natural enzyme of bacteria which they use for their protection against A. Other bacteria, B. Viruses, C. Fungal toxins, and D. Insect toxins. So the correct option is B. Viruses. The next MCQ is bacteria are considered primitive to protista due to the lack of A. Chlorophyll, B. Sterols and cell membranes, C. True nucleus, D. DNA control and metabolism. So the correct option is C. True nucleus. The next MCQ is uptake of genetic material by bacterium from the surrounding is A. Conjugation, B. Transformation, C. Induction, and D. Transduction. So the next MCQ is um, the correct answer is B. Transformation. The next MCQ is Secolus is related to A. Murine, B. Chitin, C. Cellulose, and D. Suberin. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you and sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.